Hey, welcome to my channel. Want that luminous, crystal clear glass skin just like your favorite K-drama stars? In this video, we're revealing a simple yet powerful 7-day Korean DIY skincare routine you can do at home, with affordable ingredients and zero fancy tools. Let's get glowing. First things first, what is glass skin? It's that ultra-smooth, poreless, dewy look that literally reflects light, making your skin look like flawless glass. But don't worry, achieving it doesn't require expensive serums or 10-hour routines. All you need is consistency and the right steps. Here's what you'll need for this 7-day routine. Most of these can be found in your kitchen or at your local store. Gentle foaming cleanser, green tea, bags or leaves, honey, rice flour, aloe vera gel, rose water, ice cubes, lightweight moisturizer, sunscreen, SPF 30+. Sheet masks, essence, or snail mucin for bonus hydration is optional. We've broken this routine into 3 key phases: cleansing, hydration, and locking in moisture. Repeat these steps daily for 7 days, and you'll start seeing that glowy, glass-like texture by the end of the week. Step 1. Double cleanse, day and amp, night. Double cleansing is a Korean skincare essential. Here's how to do it. Oil cleanse. Massage a few drops of coconut or olive oil on your face for 1 to 2 minutes. This breaks down makeup, sunscreen, and excess oil. Foam cleanse. Follow with a gentle foaming cleanser to remove impurities without stripping your skin. Do this morning and night to keep your pores clean and prevent breakouts. Step 2. Tone and amp. Hydrate with green tea mist. Green tea is packed with antioxidants. Brew it, let it cool, and pour it into a spray bottle. After cleansing, spray your face with green tea mist or pat it in using your hands. This soothes irritation, tightens pores, and prepares your skin for the next steps. Step 3. DIY honey rice mask. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 1 teaspoon of rice flour. Apply this paste and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse gently with lukewarm water. Honey, natural humectant to hydrate. Rice flour, gently exfoliates and brightens. Use this mask 3 times during the week, like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Step 4. Ice cube massage. Wrap an ice cube in a clean cloth and gently rub it on your face for 1 to 2 minutes. This tightens the skin, reduces puffiness, and gives an instant glow. Bonus, it helps minimize the look of pores. Step 5. Aloe plus rose water serum. Mix equal parts aloe vera gel and rose water. Apply a small amount after toning. This acts like a lightweight serum that hydrates, calms, and preps your skin for moisturizer. Aloe heals while rose water tones and balances the skin's pH. Step 6. Moisturize and amp, protect. Don't skip moisturizer even if you have oily skin. Choose a lightweight, non-comedogenic cream. In the morning, follow with a broad-spectrum sunscreen, SPF 30 or higher. Yes, even if you're indoors. Sunscreen is the key to maintaining your glow and preventing pigmentation. Bonus tips for better results. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Avoid touching your face. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Change pillowcases every 3 to 4 days. Avoid sugar and processed foods for clearer skin. What to expect by day 7. By day 7, your skin should feel noticeably softer, plumper, and have a radiant glow. While true glass skin takes consistency over weeks or months, this routine gives you an amazing head start, completely DIY. Outro and amp, call to action. Did you find this helpful? Let us know in the comments how your 7-day glow-up goes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty hacks and skincare routines. And remember, real skin has pores, texture, and beauty.